Most people get this wrong when their Xbox gift card stops working. They assume the code is broken or expired instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the card is fine. The issue is something small in activation, region, or redemption settings. In this video, you'll learn exactly why Xbox gift cards fail in 2026, and how to fix them step by step so you can redeem your balance without stress. Let's start with the most common issue. The first problem is entering the code incorrectly. Xbox gift card codes are long and case-sensitive in terms of format. A simple mistake like confusing 0 with the letter O can block redemption. For example, Alex might type it quickly and miss one character, and the system will reject it instantly. But here's the problem. Even if the code is correct, the region might not match. Xbox gift cards are region locked. That means a US gift card will not work on an Indian or UK account. So if Jake buys a card from another country, it will fail even if the code is valid. This is one of the biggest reasons people think their card is not working when it actually is just incompatible. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the issue is your Microsoft account itself. If your account has incomplete billing details or mismatched country settings, the system may block redemption. Microsoft uses strict verification to prevent fraud, so even small mismatches can cause errors. Let's go step by step to fix it. First, double-check your code. Slow down and re-enter it carefully. Avoid copying spaces if you are pasting it from a message or email. Second, verify your region. Make sure your Xbox account country matches the region where the gift card was purchased. If not, you may need to use a matching account or correct your settings. Third, check Xbox Live status. Sometimes redemption fails during server outages. A quick status check can save you hours of confusion. Fourth, restart your console or refresh the Microsoft Store app. This clears temporary sync errors that can block redemption. Now here's a small but powerful tip. If your code still fails, try redeeming it through the official Microsoft website instead of your Xbox console. Many users find it works there when the console method fails. The key takeaway is simple. Xbox gift cards rarely fail because they are invalid. They fail because of typing errors, region mismatch, or account settings. If you understand these 3 areas, you can fix almost every redemption issue in minutes. So next time your Xbox gift card does not work, don't panic. Check the code, check the region, and check your account settings first. If this helped you, leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe for more simple fix guides that save you time and money.